About this item: 9-in-1 desktop power strip with USB-C fast charge with 6 AC outlets, 2 USB ports and 1 USB-C power strip. Power up 9 devices simultaneously. USB-C charging port features 3A max, USB-A charging port features 2.4A max. With smart charging technology, it can auto-detect your connected devices and can reach faster charging efficiency, which would charge your devices without a variety of converters. 3-side space-saving design and widely space outlets. 3-side design and each AC outlets with 1.6 inches space in between, larger than standard 1.5-inch socket, fit big adapters without blocking each other. The compact size, 5.0, 1.9, 1.8 in, takes up less space on your desk or luggage, essential for the travel, home, office, and college dorm. Wall mountable extension cord with flat plug. The low-profile flat plug fits easily in tight spaces, and the right-angle flat plug design prevents bottom plug blocking. The 5 feet upgraded power cord is very thick and has better current carrying capacity. 13A. The 2 mounting holes on back allows this power strip to be securely installed in various applications. Overload surge protection features 900 joule surge protector outlets. Lighted on/off switch with integrated circuit breaker for overload protection of all outlets. It will automatically cut power to protect connected devices when voltage surge is overwhelming. The surge protected indicator